Hello everyone, my name is Siva Bhandari and I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video here with me in CurrencyHacked. And it's been a long time, it's been a long week that I haven't uploaded any video in my YouTube channel but the things is that I'm still working with my channel, and I'm trying to give you the financial education, of course the investing education idea and tricks, which will help you to become so financial freedom. And uh, if you don't know about the Warren Buffett, undoubtedly he is the most smartest person in our world, and he's most popular with the investment philosophy, and undoubtedly he is the most successful human in the investment field. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Warren Buffett advice to us, and the conclusion what he gave to us in his 2020 annual meeting. So let's go to his video over here. If you don't know about you know the Warren Buffett, or maybe you might not know about him, and you might not know about the Benjamin Graham, because Warren Buffett is the discipline on the Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham wrote the two books called The Intelligent Investor and The Security Analysis. And in multiple interviews, the Warren Buffett, he also told us that his life has changed by reading the book called The Intelligent Investor, which was written by the Ben Graham. And later on, he went to the Columbia Business School, and then asked the dean to approve his to approve his application to study the business. And after that, he met the Ben Graham, and then he told us that he respect the Ben Graham after his father, who is and he also told us that the Ben Graham is the very generous and kind person in our world. So let me type over here. Let me type the Warren Buffett 2020 annual meeting, and we have let's say 5 hour of the video about his annual meeting. And his company name is Berkshire Hathaway. And this meeting was the different than the previous, because of the COVID-19 we've been facing from the last few months. And uh, uh, basically this video is all about the all about the investment, I can say that, and the his philosophy, and the what he think about the future, and how general public can generate the good return without taking risks, as well as without being worried about the about their money. We can say that principle. So let me open this meeting here. This
But
is
but that's the
uh, he in the initial page, uh, he talk about the land of the America, and how the land price of the America is grown. uh, but in fact, he shows us the past of the DJIA. Let's see, DJIA means the Dow Jones Industrial. If you don't know about the Dow Jones Industrial is the top let's say top I believe 30 stock of the US market. And he gave us a good idea that if you put the $1 before 100 years ago, you could have changed money towards the 100, and you can convert you could convert your $1 to the 100. And the he also give us a very proper and the exact proper and the definite definite opinion about him, and how he think about the America, and how he think about their future. And the main conclusion of his annual meeting is the never bet against the America. Say let's say, if you don't know about the index fund is the say average share price of the some, let's say, 100 stock, or 500 stock of the America. And he told us that the if the public let's say general public wanted to invest, they can invest in the index funds, because the index fund have been generating 8% compound return. And he gave us and he told us that the it is going to happen in the next 10 years, 20 years, or maybe 30 years. But he told us that he can't give us a what will happen in the next 1 year or in 2 years. And we also believe that this can happen, because if we see in the past, the America economic and America have been developed very gradually, and we can expect that it will continue to go. And then, let's say, if there are lots of index fund you can invest your money. Let's say as we've seen before, the DJIA, or we have a S&P, and in Australia we have ASX, Australian Stock Exchange, and many more. So uh, and all other things is that he's talking about the cash. And he told us that his company hold a $125 billion of the cash. And he also talking about the buying back the share. And he's pretty much telling us that he told us that he sold out all the stock that he bought for the airlines company, because he think that the airlines company are gonna, like, he don't know about the future. And he also not sure about the airlines finance, airlines business will resume soon. Even if they resume soon, they have to borrow the billion of dollar. And he don't want to invest on that kind of company which will have lots of debt. And the lots of course, he generally speaking, he can't understand. He can understand the business, but he can't understand the situation, what will happen in the next future. So that's the another conclusion that the Warren Buffett gave to us. uh, uh, and even he also describe or explain that in this video. He told us that the Benjamin Graham is the you know most smartest person, person that he ever meet in his life. And he told us that he have a 3 person in his life, and we don't know who is the next 2 person. But for sure we know that the Ben Graham is his most respected person. So so in final, I would like to repeat it again here, that in conclusion, Warren Buffett has told us that the America business and the America economic will grow uh, you know, will grow in the let's say more than 7% compounded in the long run. And he don't know about the he don't know he don't know what will happen in the next say, let's say 1 or 2 years. He knows, and he's confidently told us that the in the next 10 years, or in the next 20 years, or in the 30 years, the America will do better and better. So and that's all for the Warren Buffett 2020 annual meeting. If you have any question, or if you wanted to contact me, or you can contact us into our through our email. And our email is info@currencyhacked.com, as well as my email is the seeba@currencyhacked.com. And in final, let's say, if you want to becomes a great investor, you must understand the speculation and the investment. If you want to learn about the speculation and the investment, you can go to our website, and you can learn about the speculation and investment as well. So, and another things is that if you have a good temptation, of course you should have a how to explain to you. I'm a bit like, I don't know how to explain to you. You should have a discipline, of course, and the passion to wait to get the good opportunity to buy the any kind of stock that you are watching for the long time, and that you think by analyzing the fact data, such as the dividend rate, assist, and the some other fact data. And then after that, if you think this stock can be good, then you have to wait for the proper time to buy it, and then hold it probably for the long time. And then because we know that lots of people have generated their wealth through the and the holding by holding their stock for the long period. So that's all for today. Thank you for everyone.